Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about some of the query that the students, those who are mentioned in the comment box. Persistent system query. So if you have any query regarding the persistent system, so you can ask, and as few students, okay, a few students they are appeared for 7.5 LP advanced coding test, and even they got the result also. Okay, they have gone through the technical interview also. They have gone through the technical interview. Okay, and after the technical interview, even the company has sent the selection list to TPO, selection list to the TPO. Okay, so here they sent a list to TPO, but few students were not received. Okay, the mail from the persistent, but these guys, okay, 7.5, so they are gone through the 9 LP Drona package. Okay, 9 LPA assessment test. So they are attended the 9 LPA assessment test. Okay, so they are having this offer. Okay, that they got a list from the TPO. They completed this process. They are completed and they have gone through this 9 LPA process. And in 9 LPA process, as they have gone through the assessment test, okay, but these guys are not received. They not received mail from the persistent. Mail from persistent to fill the details for offer. To fill the details for offer, because still these guys are in the process. Okay, still they are under the process, because after the assessment test of 9 LPA they have to go through the technical interview. They have to go through the technical interview. So now the technical interview also started. So based upon the students availability, they are taking the interview, and this interview is about 30 to 40 minute. 30 to 40 minute interview will be there, and here mainly they are focusing for this 9 LPA for the interview. This is the interview time. Okay, interview time, and mainly they are focusing on coding part, hands-on coding. Mainly, as I interacted with few students, those who are gone through this process, hands-on coding, it was completely purely technical, purely hands-on technical, I can say, hands-on technical. Okay, so in 7.LPA they asked about some theory questions. Okay, here in this particular stage, they asked about the OOPS concept. They asked data structure. They asked about data structure. Okay, then DBMS, database management system. Okay, database concepts. Then Java or Python programming language and hands-on. Okay, it was both theory and hands-on was there. Okay, but in 9 point this 9 lakh package, as it was completely it is hands-on. Okay, hands-on, and the student has to send code in chat box during the technical interview. There is no HR, nothing. Okay, it is completely a pure technical. Okay, Pallavi is asking, some students received HR assessment mail after the technical interview and some not. So those students who have not received the mail, can we consider that they are not selected? Yeah, the main thing is, after the HR assess, after the technical interview, normally when they send HR assessment, so here almost they send the HR assessment links one time to all the students, and here also they filter the 50% students, 50 to 60% student they filter here in this stage. So if you are lucky, suppose if the students are not accepting the offer, okay, so in the future you may get, okay, or you can wait. Okay, because here this is a filter round. It is after the HR technical, they filter the 50% students for the, because this is very important. Once you clear this technical, no, this is almost you are selected. Okay, so this HR assessment, it is not a almost I think all of them they are received once you have gone through the HR assessment. So here if you are not received, then maybe they are rejected. Okay, so that I can say, or you can wait, because sometimes what happens, no? Suppose if the students, because the company is sending the mail link to mail link for the offer acceptance. Okay, and if the students, if some few students they reject because they have higher offer, higher package, so based upon that, even second list maybe they will send second list. Okay, so you can wait it and also try with the other company. One of my friends' interview was easy for her, but she not received the mail, so she is not selected. Yeah, see, it is depend upon the interviewer. We cannot expect any, okay, interviewer. It is completely depend upon the interviewer, the selection. Okay. Sometimes if the interview goes very difficult, okay, if the interview goes very difficult, and that particular student he will get an offer. Okay, sometimes as in your case, as student your friend has felt it is very easy and it is rejected. Okay, it will depend upon the interviewer, because what happens now after the interview they provide feedback to the the team, the next team, that based upon the technical interview. Okay, they provided feedback whether to proceed this particular student to the next HR. Okay, so based upon that it is selection. So don't worry, Pallavi, you have so many opportunity. You just think that you are having some better opportunity. Okay, better than the persistent. Okay, because as I can see, give some example. Okay, so with the same package, whatever the base package they are providing, with the same package, the companies like Accenture, okay, Accenture with 4.5 LPA, then Cognizant is also providing the 4 LPA, sorry, 4.5. It is also providing the 4.5 LPA. Then Capgemini 3.8 LPA. Then Wipro also. Okay. Wipro they are providing with 3.5 LPA, and you can reach up to 6.5 LPA for the turbo option, and TCS, NQT or Ninja. Through this you are getting 3.36 plus 60,000 incentive. Means once you clear the course now, they provide incentives, and here you can go up to 7 LPA for digital. Okay, so these are the, as per my knowledge, the most of the companies, even L&T, okay, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, even Tech Mahindra is also, they are conducting a started their campus process. Tech Mahindra for 21 22 batch pass out. Tech Mahindra is there. Okay, and there are so many companies. Okay, Mindtree is also started. So these are some MNC companies, whatever I highlighted. Okay, but other than these company, you are getting so many opportunities are there. Okay, so those who are rejected, you just think that you are having some better opportunity. Okay, compared to this persistent, you are having so many opportunities with the same package. Okay, with a package of around 4. So these are the some of the companies that you can focus for your placement preparation. Okay, these are the some MNC companies. Okay, that whatever I just mentioned here. But there are so many startup companies are also there, and the main thing is that those companies they recruit through various platforms. Okay, like through LinkedIn. Okay, or through some referral. Okay, but they recruit like 2 to 3 positions, or okay, but the package will be like 5 LP, 6 LP, okay, even 9 LP. So you have to go through the all the steps. to get these offers, and you have to continuously search. Okay, these are all some startup company. Startup company, they provide with this salary. The team size of the company will be less, like around 50 to 100 employees. 50 to 100 employees. But in these companies, you will get some opportunity for to interact with all the employees, even the to interact with the CEO. Okay, to interact with the founder, because the team size is very less. So you can explore more in these startup companies. Okay, and also don't think about the bond also. As you people are, you are a fresher. In see, if I'm talking in terms of 21, 22 batch. Okay, as you are a fresher, so till joining, okay, till you give a commitment, till the joining, just you go through the various company, apply for various company, attend the test, okay, and if you are selected, you accept offer, and the last after completion of your D means at the last semester, you can just that time you can think about in which company to join. Okay, so it is depend upon you. So don't stick with only one company. Try to attend the other companies also, because still there is no guarantee whichever the company you are selected. Okay, there is no guarantee that you will be in the same company till the, because still time is there now, in the September month. Okay, September 2021, and you are completing your B in the June or July 2022. Still 10-month time is there. Okay. So Ankit, yeah, I have got selection mail from Persistent. When will they send the offer letter? Yes, Ankit, I think they may take some time, because like based upon the responses, whatever the students, how many students are they are responded to that particular link, so they will verify, because still the interview process is going on in most of the colleges. Okay, because there are so many issues are there, like the interviews going on, and reschedule of interviews. If some people, if they face any problem, any technical problem, okay, or unavailability, so they are rescheduling. So these are all some pending cases. So I think they send the offer letter. It is based upon the means as per the college wise by completing all the process. But if you are feel that means it is 100% you are selected, okay, because even they are planning for the internship also. So the team, they maybe they are working. Okay, Pijus, can I prepare for government job with persistent job? I think it is difficult, because see for, but now you can prepare. Okay, now you have the job. Okay, this is 100% you are having this job, right, Pijus? Now you are having 8 to 10 month. Okay, and academics you can manage. Okay, academics, all the subjects you can manage as for final year subjects. Final year subjects you can manage. Okay, So what you do, you can suppose government job. So I think you are selected means you are maybe you are from CSC, IT or electronics. Okay. So one way is that to get the government job, first thing is you apply for the gate. Okay, that is the one way that through gate you can get the government job. And another thing is that the if you are like state government or central government job, then the most of these government job the syllabus is your aptitude. Syllabus is aptitude. Okay, aptitude means it is mainly the quantitative part, verbal, logical, reasoning. Okay, so you can do it for a government job. Definitely you will get, because but you focus on the skills what is required as per the job. Through gate means you need to prepare your you should get a good score. Then you have to cover the core subjects. Okay, you just cover the core subjects. Okay, and don't think about like after joining persistent about after the persistent joining government job. Don't think about now you are having the opportunity. No, you are already selected. Okay, you are already selected in the persistent system. Okay, if your target is this one, you can try till you get an opportunity. Means you start with the preparation. Means if you are prepared no from with the final year. Okay, if you start a preparation, then after the joining also you will get like depend upon the require like suppose if there is any government vacancies and depend upon that. But almost 80% is aptitude will be the syllabus, and it is depend upon the your the which job you are applying. Okay, so you just the aptitude means there competition, there will be more competition in the government job, so you have to secure more marks. Akash, what is the next step after the HR assessment? What is the process till we get offer letter? Akash Power. See, Akash, after the HR assessment, so if you are gone through the HR assessment, so this is the final. Once you complete this HR assessment, they will send the selection list to college, TPO. Selection list to college TPO, and also they will communicate to you through mail communication. Okay, to they will provide a registration link, and you have to fill that particular registration link. Okay, to get the offer letter. So after the HR assessment, it is final. Okay, it takes some time. Depend upon the once they complete interview with all the students of your college, so they can after that they will provide. And even if you get the offer letter, there is no use. Still, you are as I think sem one of your final year. I think. Okay, so there is no use if they provide the offer letter now also. Jaya, I have qualified written round. Okay, how much time persistent take for the interview? My exam was happened in 27th August. Okay, 27th August, you are written your online test, and as you are qualified also. Okay, and now you are waiting for the technical interview. Okay, so Jaya, my suggestion is that you just you know what type of questions you will get in the technical interview. I hope you have gone through some of the my videos, and also maybe you discussed with some of the students. 90% now you are getting the idea about what type of question they ask in the interview. So just you prepare on those questions, how you can answer, and you can just ask your project guide or any faculty, okay, or your okay, seniors to take a mock interview. You just go through the mock interview. It is very important. You need to clear only one round now. HR assessment you can handle it. This is the toughest round that you need to crack. Technical interview. This is the only round that you need to crack. HR assessment that you can do it. But my suggestion is that you should go through the mock interview. You can request your faculty, and as much as possible you have to request it because the job is required to you. You just arrange a mock interview for you. Okay, as no one will ask you, no one will tell you that for the mock interview, but it is required for you. Job is required for you. Okay, so you have to make an arrangement. You can ask the project guide or your seniors. If no one is getting, then you ask to your friend. Okay, ask to a friend to ask some questions and you try to answer. You can use any platform, Google Meet, Zoom, and all. Okay, but you should go through the mock interview. Which type of coding questions they ask frequently for base package? Yeah, Jaya, you just go through the some of the videos where students are mentioned like pattern based questions. Okay, and like for like such type of patterns. Okay, pattern based, then list, array. Okay, then stack based questions, palindrome, prime number. Okay, palindrome, then a reverse string, then a prime number generation. Okay, these are some of the program statements. So students they got. You can just go through some of my videos so that you will get a complete idea. And also, what you do, suppose your interview is scheduled on 9th September. Okay, suppose your interview is scheduled on 9th September. So what you do, they will provide some timing of like 40 minutes difference, like 9 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. to one student. You just have a communication with your friend circle. The next student will be like 9:50 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay, and suppose your interview time is like 3 a.m. to 3:40 p.m. 3:40 p.m. Sorry, 3 p.m. to 3:40. This is your interview time. Okay, so what you do, you just try to communicate with these guys. Okay, even because what happens is you can get same type of question also. Okay, same type of questions you may get, and also you can it is depend upon the region, like in Pune region or in other state region. Go through some like glass door platform is there. So and also like in the India Wix fresher word. Okay, and just Google it. Persistent system interview questions. Okay, you will get some recent questions. Okay, and in the Glassdoor they are mentioned some of the students from 21 22 batch. They are mentioned what type of questions you may get. Okay, so Jaya, you just take a mock interview and attend it. Okay. Pramod, can I prepare for engineering service exam with persistent? Yeah, Pramod, you can prepare, but the thing is that now engineering service means it is almost the syllabus is equivalent to engineering service syllabus is it is almost 100% it is matched with the gate exam syllabus. Okay, you are talking about engineering service means UPSC. Okay, so this syllabus is exactly matched with the gate syllabus. So what you do, Pramod, you can take online classes. Means mentoring is very important. Smart work means if you start to work now, because for gate I think still 5 month time is there. For the 5 month time is there for the gate. So you are having a golden opportunity because at this age now you are already I think Pramod with persistent means you are already placed I think. So if you are already placed then you are almost you are relaxed now because you are already having one job. So you just go through some online platform and register it because that particular like the online class they are mainly focusing on your whatever the target, either engineering service or gate. The syllabus is 100% same. Okay, so you can just find out some of the online classes, register it and start to work now only, so that for persistent and joining you will get maybe in the May or June month of 2022. So till that you can have some experience. You can prepare for the gate and because in the February month I think gate exam is there. So you just appear for the gate exam and you can do it because now you don't have any headache and all now. You are almost your free mind, and if your target with these no, this is your long term goal. Okay. Now you are already achieved your short term goal to get a this short term goal you are already achieved. Okay, you are already achieved your short term goal. Now focus on your long term goal. Okay, you focus on the your long term goal, that is your engineering service. Because what happens now in nowadays CSC IT. Okay, so these guys are getting a good job opportunity. As you can see, there are lakhs together openings are there for the freshers. Okay, for fresher means like 2021 batch. For these guys are they are getting a huge opportunity, job opportunity, especially from CSC and IT. And after that, even the 20 19 20 batch, they are also getting some opportunity. Still they are recruiting for these guys. Means still those who are, they don't have the job, still they are getting the job opportunities from the MNC companies like TCS and all. They are conducting a off campuses multiple times, Accenture and all. Okay, and even 18 19 batch also, till these guys also they are getting the, they are allowing, these companies are allowing these batch also. Means at this stage now they are earning around 4 to 4.5, or minimum they are earning, these guys are earning. Okay, so at this stage now, in CSE and IT there is no competition, there is no competition with uh, this particular gate exam and all, especially CSE IT. Okay, there is no competition, because who is preparing for this engineering service and gate is one who is having a target of government exam. Okay, government examination plus MTech. Okay, higher study MTech, those who want to go for the MTech. And even nowadays there are very few students they are joining, very few students are joining for the MTech, because the industry, they are not differentiating, there is no difference between B and MTech. They are considering both B and MTech as a pressure only. Okay, so there is no difference much in the salary. Okay, so they are also for them also same role. Suppose system engineer role. For MTech also they are providing the same role. And for B they are providing 3.6 LPA. For MTech also 3.6 LPA. There is no difference, because whatever the work this guy can do, whatever the work this guy can do, the same work is doing this fellow also. Okay, so there is no difference in the salary. So MTech, when it comes in the teaching field, okay, in the teaching field there is value is there. And the one more thing, the suppose that this is the criteria. Suppose this MTech, suppose if you do by IIT, NIT, triple IT, okay, triple ITs, central universities. Okay, suppose if you do this post graduation from these premier colleges, then there is a huge advantage. Okay, there is a huge advantage is there. So what advantage means? The placement opportunity, you will get a huge opportunity here. Okay, I think Pramod has asked this question. Yeah, Pramod, see, if you prepare for that, no, gate and all, suppose if you are having good score, you can try for these NITs and IIT, triple IT for the MTech. Means if you won't get the government job, and through MTech you will get a product based company job. Okay, and in NITs, IITs and all, minimum you will get like 10 to 15 LPA start. Means this is whatever I am telling, it's very less, but minimum you will get the 15 LPA. And that to see there is no difference here. Suppose see, if you are completing your B in 21 22, you are completing your B. Okay, 22 means it is June. You are completing your BE. And suppose if you join MTech, so MTech when you join next year, that is the same year, 21 22 batch, you are admission, your admission to MTech after completing immediately. Okay, that is 21 22. So this fellow is doing a job with some, suppose we consider 4.5 LPA job. Okay, so this guy is doing the job. Okay, and you are studying MTech in some NIT or IIT, some good college. Okay, so what happens here? You are studying now. You are study here during the year 20 to 23. Okay, your friend is getting the salary and you are studying. Okay, and here what happens in the next year 23 24, you are pass out in this. So 1 year there will be study. 1 year there will be study. But here in the MTech, no, in the second year you will get an internship to college, and in this internship you may get around 5 to 6 LPA or minimum monthly 50 to 60,000 stipend. That is your internship you will get. Okay, in the second year, I am telling about the second year. And this time your friend, he is still working on, like suppose maybe 5 LPA. Okay, 5 or 6 LPA we can consider. Now in the internship, in the second year only you are getting this much. In the second year only you are getting a 5 to 6 LPA. Then you are pass out. You are getting pass out in the second year. Then minimum you will get 15 LPA to 20 LPA in some MNC product based company, because you know what are the placement opportunities in NIT, IIT and all. And still your friend is working in the same company, or if he switch also maximum he will get 7 LPA. Okay, so you can see the difference. So that's why, yeah, the one who has asked this question, I think Pramod. Pramod, I think you are clear with this question. You just go ahead with engineering service or gate examination preparation. Definitely means you will settle in 3 to 4 years. Means if you have such goal, means if you do some effort now, definitely you are having a fruitful result. Okay, if you are preparing for the engineering service or gate exam, means you will just target for a government exam. If you won't get a government exam, join to MTech, and in the second year of the MTech you will get a internships. Okay, paid internships you will get. So that will be advantage for you. Rutu, what are the technical interview questions for non-CSE candidate? Yeah, Ruturaj, for electronics and all, no? Electronics and ENTC guys. So they normally even they asked about OOPS concepts, C++ programming, and some database concepts, then computer networking concepts. Okay, that is OSI model, internet protocol. Okay, So you can prepare it. I think in some of the non-CAG guys also know these concepts. Okay, then Himanshu, after filling out registration link, then in how much time we'll get offer letter? Himanshu, you will get offer letter. Okay, after completion of all the students from your college, it may take some time. Pijus, can I tell the actual? Can I tell the actual enhanced salary of? Can you tell? Okay. Yeah, Pijus, I think I have already covered in one video about the base package salary. Okay, base package salary. Okay, those were last year. Last year it was 4.51 LPA, and they used to receive 30,000, I think 300 rupees in hand. But they are having some additional facility also, health insurance and all. Okay, but this is the other in hand salary. Okay, some additional facility will be there. Okay, training zeros in factorial of a number. Yeah, such hands-on programming. Pramod, EC students make a final year project in software technology. Yes, yes, Pramod. EC, electronics and communication student. He can do a project on software technology like you can you can use Internet of Things with Internet of Things with cloud computing. Okay, IoT with the cloud computing. Like you can use this particular IoT with cloud computing, and also for data analysis, machine learning also you can use. Okay, so you can do a project. You can like suppose you can take some agricultural concept application. In agriculture application, you can use IoT, and you collect the data from IoT, send it to cloud, and do some analysis by using the machine learning. So nowadays that multidisciplinary, because this type of project will help to participate in hackathons. In hackathons, no, like hackathons, they give weightage, and you'll get some problem statement also. So try to focus on such agricultural application, or some solve some society problem. Okay, some society problems and all, you can solve it. And maybe in some smart India hackathon, government, they conduct a every year hackathon, so you will get an opportunity to participate in such hackathons. Okay, so you just go ahead with multidisciplinary hardware and software. Puji sir, what do you think after lockdown period gone, will persistent provide work from home? Because in a city like Nagpur, Pune, it is difficult to sustain with low salary. Yeah, Pijus, I'm not sure about that, but I think they may continue from work from home, because what happens, no, today only I think I have seen a message in the news that in the Nagpur, I think still they are there are some making some new restrictions, new restrictions about this, as there are more cases are increasing in the Nagpur. It depend. Okay, as even in the news I gone through that TCS is they are planning to call employees to office at the end of end of this year. Okay, they are planning to call all the employees, those who are vaccinated. Okay, I'm not sure about that. And Piyush, you don't think about all these things. Okay, you just try to focus on your career. Okay, so and as a bachelor, 30s it is good enough to get, along with additional benefits are also there. Okay, but you are getting some exposure. Okay, so don't think about location. Okay, do they relocate student location after they get selected? Yeah, I think it is possible relocation. Then Ruturaj, my interview is scheduled for day after tomorrow. Okay, but timing is 12:50 to 1:10. Okay, 20 minutes. That means the interview will be 20 minutes. Yeah, if they are scheduled means I think as they are almost most of the students they are scheduled around 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. The interviews they are scheduled. Suppose if they are mentioned means, but see, your joining time will be 12:50. Maybe as because of the shortage of, okay, because of time constraint, maybe they are like stick with the 20 minute. Okay, it depend, but see, whatever this 20 minute is there, no, it is depend upon you how you utilize. Okay, they will come to know in the first 5 to 10 minutes only how the candidate is. They will find out. It is depend upon the. It is very challenge for you how you impress, how you answer in the first 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, because normally, once we interact with any person in a first meeting, with his conversation, with his knowledge, means we will come to know how the candidate is, how the person is. Okay, so it is depend upon you how you impress within the first 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so you prepare well and all the best for your interview. Ruturaj, okay, you are from KIT Kolhapur. Okay, yeah, Ruturaj, you just practice it and the type of questions that ask to your students, your friends. Okay, so maybe morning, maybe someone will be there. You just call them and you ask them what are the type of questions he's getting. Okay, then Shubham, what technology will digital specialist engineer? I think he's talking about DSC role. I think Infosys digital specialist engineer role. DSC from Infosys. Okay, that is 5 lakh per annum. 5 LPA. Okay, DSC. What will be the enhanced salary? Okay. So for this also same, like around 30 to 35 LPA you will get enhanced salary. Okay, enhanced salary will be around 35. You can consider for the 5 lakh LPA because some cuttings will be there, tax deduction and also your saving deduction, your insurance, that all it includes. But there will be some like benefits will be there, huh? So insurance and all, parent insurance, and even in the lockdown, no, even some of the company they are provided vaccines to their family also. Vaccine, okay, vaccine to the employee family members. and they provide some additional facilities like to purchase their for purchasing laptop, like any device or internet bill or okay. So other benefits are there. Okay, so enhanced salary will be, if we think it is less, but there will be some other benefits. Okay, Shubham, sir, 5 LP IT company or 10 LP management company. See, as per my knowledge, no, like 5 LPA, 10 LPA, and you are talking about management. See, management company means he is a boss. Okay, management company means you are the boss of these employees, these B graduates. Okay, and here you will get more benefits and all. The salary will be good. Okay, so you can go ahead with this because you will get multiple opportunities also. So once they get experience, no, these guys will go to this stage after some experience. And suppose if you are getting in the initial stage only, if you are getting this opportunity, means it is good. Okay, because these guys also one day they will go to this stage, manager role, after getting some experience. Okay, if you are getting this directly, means you can just go ahead with this. No, normally what happens now, like the students, B students, okay, in IITs, NITs, and all, what they do, they won't focus on the job. And normally in tier three college students, what they do, these guys they won't target for the immediate job. Means if there is no option, they go for the job. But here, these people will they mainly go for the target for a job. So here, these IIT NIT students, what they do, they go for some like IIM, some management studies or MS, MBA. Okay, so they because they prepare in the third year or fourth year only, they start to prepare or UPSC. Okay, so they start in the after completing their B, means in the third year only they used to start. And here we in the tier three colleges, no, the students they focus mainly on job. Okay, and what happens? These guys after completing their higher education, he will be the boss. Boss means at the higher position, higher position with a good salary. And so these guys are at least they minimum they 10 to 6 to 10 years they work. Okay, minimum 6 to 10 to reach this position. Okay, maybe 10 years. Okay, around 10 years to reach this position. So you try to, it depend upon you. Okay, so okay, I was Ruturaj Shubham. Okay, Vipul Jain. So already completed my HR assessment, but today again received an email from the persistent, and in email they are scheduling my HR assessment again. Yeah, So Vipul, you just go ahead with the one more time. Okay, because no, in their database maybe your status is pending HR assessment. No, even though you are submitted successfully, maybe your in this status it is showing the pending maybe. Okay, or maybe they are giving one more chance. You just think that they are giving a one more chance to you, so you just attend and read the questions carefully and attempt. Okay, I think you already know what type of questions you will get. Okay, and it is depend upon everyone, their perspective is different, so you should go ahead. Okay, yeah. Abdul, I have given HR assessment twice, please attempt it again. Yes, yes, Abdul. So you should go ahead with the second time. Hardik, what are the chances to clear self online HR assessment? See, chances mean it is not like it is HR level based questions. Okay, you just read the questions carefully and try to give some positive answers. Positive answers means like means you should because of you the company should get a profit. See, normally organizations what they do, organizations what they want mainly the profit. Okay, they mainly focus on the profit. So you need to provide an option such that because of you, the organization is getting some benefit. Okay. Suppose if you are stick with only 6 hour work from Monday to Friday. Okay, if you are stick with only this particular Monday to Friday and it's only 6 hour I want to do the work, then the organization they won't accept such candidates because there may be some like to complete the work that we need to work on Saturday also, even Sunday also we need to work because the company is paying for you and you need to work on to complete the particular task. Okay, because they are paying that much amount means you have to do that, you have to complete, your target is to complete anyhow. Okay, if you stick with this particular no 6 hour Monday to Friday, then it is very difficult to survive. Okay, nowhere they can survive means such type of questions you will get in the HR questions. Okay, okay, Hardik, people Jains are already come. Okay, we choose what will be the minimum time after which if we leave a company, what will be the minimum time after which if we leave a company they return the PF to us. Yeah, I don't have more idea about that. Okay, but you will get that whatever the amount the employer they pay. Okay, because it is everything is transparent. Okay, so you just consider this as your saving. Okay, your lifetime saving you are doing. So that you will get. That is not a problem. Abdul, I have given the HR assessment twice. Okay, Hardik, will there be again some round after the HR assessment? No, HR online assessment is final and few students they are received twice. Few students, okay, few students they received the twice that HR assessment link. Okay, sometimes what happens, no, once you attend the HR assessment, the HR people they will analyze your response. They analyze your response, and after the analysis, okay, after the analysis, so they may reschedule once again your HR assessment. Okay, it will depend. Means they are providing one more chance. So is there chance of elimination from the HR assessment? As till date, I'm not heard any. There are some cases are there in the chat in some of my videos where the students, okay, a few students are mentioned, like they have completed their HR assessment. They completed a HR assessment, but in the selection list, their name is not there. Okay, the selection mail or the selection link to TPO, their name is missing. Name missing means they are rejected. Okay, they are, means, but it is like 1%, 1% in the college. Okay, but 99% no, there is no chance of rejection. There is no chance of rejection, but you need to attempt with carefully. You read the answers, because what happens, no, some student they said they got 50 to 60 questions in HR. Some students said they 80 questions. Some students said 100 questions. So it will depend. It will depend upon the student. Okay, so and also you carefully, like same questions will repeat, and while attempting you have to choose the same option. Okay, people, so there is no elimination chance in the, it's definitely you will get. Okay, once if you reach to HR assessment, means those who are still under the, like those who are attending a technical interview. Okay, so this is your main target. Those who are attending the technical interview, this is your biggest task to crack the technical interview. For that preparation you need to focus. Don't think about the HR assessment, that you can do very easily, but mainly focus on the technical interview. Okay, so with this we'll end this video, and still if you have any questions you can just put it in the comment, and so that others also they will try to answer, those who are gone through the process. Because in some of the colleges, most of the students they have gone through this process. In some colleges, like now as in the chat box, I think one of the student from KIT Kolhapur, in that college still the interview is going on. Okay, so if you have any query you just mention in the comment, so that your friends, those who are gone through this particular process, definitely they will answer. So any type of question that you can put it in the comment. Even if I am unable to answer, others they definitely they answer. Okay, so with this we'll end this video. Okay, thank you.